What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 welding tables according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details and the latest pricing. Vevor Welding Table. This metal welding table features adjustable height and a tiltable tabletop for added flexibility and versatility. Its clips can be inserted at any point on its spacious workbench, which has 3 1.6 slots. And with retractable vertical steel rails, it can be used as a fence or for clamping. Also, there is a tray under the tabletop for storing slags. You may also find 2 pegs at the tabletop's edge for mounting your welding gun. To meet different needs, you can turn to 3 different angles: 0, 45, and 90. While its height can be adjusted into 4 steps: 30.7, 32.7, 34.6, and 36.6 inches. It's zinc-plated to keep rust at bay. And further to that, due to its heavy-duty construction, it can extend the life of the bench table and support an evenly distributed load capacity of 181 kilograms. Stronghand Tools Nomad Welding Table. Stronghand Tools Welding Table is ideal for metalworking and hobbyist applications. This adaptable, lightweight welding table adjusts in height and tilts to varying degrees. Its 30 by 20 inch tabletop has 3 1.1 inch slots for clamping to be inserted at any point. It can be set horizontally or at a 30-degree angle and adjusted in height from 26 to 32 inches. It is made of zinc-plated 14-gauge steel and has a 1020 carbon steel frame for added durability. Further to that, it also adds a spring-loaded arm and a magnetic V-pad jaw that adjusts instantly to hold round, flat, and angled steel surfaces with 500-pound clamping pressure. This table folds flat for easy rolling storage. Also, there are 2 mini magnet clamps, making it ideal for light-duty holding in tight spots. Works WX-051 Pegasus Folding Work Table. With quick clamps and holding pegs, this multifunction work table and sawhorse can support up to 300 pounds as a table and up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. It weighs only 30 pounds and fit perfectly under your arm, so you can throw it in the back of the truck and transport it to the job site or from the basement to the backyard. In terms of other features, its integrated clamping system can exert up to 300 pounds of force to keep your project firmly in place and has a maximum clamping width of 18¼ inches. And with its clamp dog pegs, it will allow you to secure round and irregularly shaped materials. This table has a surface area of 31 by 25 inches and a height of 32 inches, enabling it to be linked with other works tables and Pegasuses to create a longer, fully functional work table. Furthermore, there is a folding tray at the bottom that is designed to hold tools, power strips, or anything else you might need on the job. Its legs are made of tough molded ABS with steel supports and will lock into place, while the non-slip feet will stay in place in both grass and pavement. Overall, this Pegasus is tough and solid enough to be a permanent work table or sawhorse, and it's also built to be portable. So as we mentioned, you can take it from job to job or from the basement to the garage with ease. Clutch Mobile Welding Workstation. This workstation is a heavy-duty welding fabrication table that includes a metal fit-up kit with 26 pieces. Apart from exceptional flexibility in fixture setup, the table has standard 16mm holes evenly spaced 2 inches apart. It adds a firm grip handle and 4 heavy-duty 3-inch swivel casters that allow you to easily move the welding table to where you need it, while its built-in stabilizer feet provide for a firm, stable surface when needed. Its metal frame with side panel tool holder functions for storage of welding clamps and pliers, along with a welding torch holder. In addition to these, there is also a side panel with a pegboard function for hanging welding tools, as well as 2 magnetic holders with different welding angle settings. The table's overall dimensions are 40 by 24 inches, and its weight capacity is 600 pounds. It comes as a kit with 4 threaded adapters, 4 stop bases, 4 rest buttons, 8 V-blocks, 4 inserted clamps, and 2 magnetic welding holders for use with square and round tube or plate welding work. Cast Force KF3002 Portable. This model is ideal for light to medium duty welding. It has several features that make it ideal for both professional and amateur welders, including the ability to handle heavy-duty loads. It is heavy and sturdy enough to support a reasonable amount of weight. It's portable, but is also tough. It weighs 55.6 pounds and has a decent workspace of 37.3 by 18.8 by 3.6 inches, which is pretty good. It has a storage tray for materials and tools, as well as 4 bearing heavy-duty 3-inch swivels with brakes. Another great feature is its ease of assembly, which even a novice in the field of welding can do with ease. Its wheels are also extremely heavy-duty casters, and the mobility is excellent, especially when welding outside. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.